Episode-07, Learn English with Movies and TV Shows, the complete beginner's guide. Welcome back to Learn English with Stories. Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried watching an English movie or series and ended up feeling confused, lost, or frustrated? Maybe you thought, I can't understand anything. How can this help me learn English? Don't worry, you're not alone. And the good news is you can use movies and TV shows to improve your English fluency. But you need to follow the right steps. In this episode, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to learn real natural English using your favorite shows and films, even if you're a beginner. Let's dive in. Part 1. Why movies and TV shows are powerful for English learning. Most learners depend on grammar books, vocabulary lists, and language apps. But movies and TV shows give you something much more valuable, real spoken English, the way native speakers actually talk in everyday life. Cultural knowledge. You understand humor, gestures, emotions, and idioms. Pronunciation training. You hear real accents, tone, stress, and rhythm. Visual context. You don't just hear words. You see body language and expressions that make the meaning clearer. Motivation. Learning becomes fun, not boring. It's like living in an English-speaking country without leaving your room. Part 2. Prepare before you start watching. To turn passive watching into active learning, you'll need a few things. 1. A show or movie you like. Pick something you actually enjoy. It keeps you engaged. 2. English subtitles. Turn on English subtitles, not your native language. Reading helps your ears catch words better. 3. A notebook or digital app. You'll need to write down useful expressions, new words, and phrases. 4. Time and focus. Give yourself 30 minutes a day. No multitasking, just focus. Part 3. Choosing the right movie or TV show. If you're a beginner, start with short episodes, slower dialogue, and clear pronunciation. Examples: Extra English, made for English learners. Friends, great for casual conversations. Modern Family, funny and easy to understand. The Big Bang Theory, for science-related jokes and phrases. Stranger Things, if you like mystery and adventure. Avoid historical dramas, old-fashioned English. Legal crime shows. Too much technical language. Part 4. How to watch and learn the right way. Let's break this into a clear system. Step 1. Watch a short scene, 2 to 5 minutes. Choose a small section of the episode. Don't watch the whole thing yet. Turn on English subtitles. Watch once without stopping, just to enjoy it. Step 2. Watch again. This time, pause often. Pause after every sentence. Repeat the line out loud. This is called shadowing. Try to copy the actor's tone and emotion. Note 3 to 5 interesting expressions or words. Examples to look for. That's awesome! Are you kidding me? Come on, let's go! These are things native speakers say all the time. They're gold. Step 3. Practice speaking. Say the line out loud 3 to 4 times. Record yourself on your phone. Compare it to the actor's voice. Try to match the rhythm and pronunciation. You'll improve your fluency, accent, and confidence. Step 4. Watch the full scene again. Watch it one more time, this time with no subtitles. Try to understand everything with just listening. You'll be surprised how much more you catch after this practice. Part 5. Use these tools to make learning easier. Here are some awesome tools and extensions. Language Reactor, Chrome extension, shows dual subtitles and lets you slow down or rewind easily. YouGlish.com. Type in any English word or phrase and hear it used in real videos. Anki Quizlet. Create flashcards for the expressions you've learned. Dictation.io. Practice your speaking and pronunciation by speaking and seeing your words appear as text. Part 6. Build a learning routine. Watch a scene every day, 15-30 minutes. Keep a daily journal. Phrases you liked, sentences you want to practice. Review what you've learned every weekend. Remember, fluency doesn't come from one big effort. It comes from small daily steps. Part 7. What you can learn from one scene. Here's what to look for. Everyday phrases. What's up? No way. That's not fair. Question patterns. How long have you been here? What are you doing? Body language. Gestures, facial expressions, tone. Cultural tips. Jokes, greetings, emotions, etc. This is what makes English come alive. Part 8. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't watch passively. Don't rely on your native subtitles. Don't try to learn too many words at once. Focus on phrases. Don't skip repetition. It's key to memory. Part 9. Motivation. Keep going. It's okay if you don't understand everything. Even native speakers need subtitles sometimes. Just stay consistent. Day by day, you'll notice you understand more, you speak more naturally, you feel more confident. Movies and TV shows are not just for fun. They are your English classroom. They help you speak better, listen better, think in English, and enjoy the learning process. All you need is the right method, and you've got it now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more episodes on mastering English fluency. And if you missed any previous episodes, check the description below for all the links. Make sure to watch them too.